everyone, welcome to the channel. Into this video, we are diving into the topic comment and reactions. So the website hit the like button and let's start. So comments in Bitrix24 are a quick and easy way to discuss work related issue and share important information with your teams, like reaction and reports, add a bit of comments to the user of this communication. You can comment in task and view notifications and mentions, like and reactions. It also works for smart. You can do effortless communication, leave comment on the task or post in the feed. Like you see the option to write the comment. This is a great way to discuss what related issue and exchange opinion with your teammates. You can also react with just like liking on the specific post or any comment in the task section or the feed section. Anytime you want to get someone attention, just mention that person in the comment. After this, they will get notified and be able to respond on their PC. You can mention the person by writing the at the rate, and here you will get the list of the person within the organization, and you can select the person and write a message for him. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to post on the comment